Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the upper chute ring retainer on your snowblower, make sure the engine has cooled. Use a 3/8-inch socket to unthread the 3 mounting bolts, securing the chute handle and the chute itself. Remove the assembly and detach the handle. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, unthread the screw to release the chute ring seal. Unthread the 2 front housing mounting screws. Next, unthread the 3 screws from the right side of the housing. Use the 3/8-inch socket or nut driver to unthread the mounting bolt, securing the housing to the rear bracket. Next, unthread the screws to release the 2 retaining clamps, holding the housing to the handle. You can now fully remove the housing. Use pliers to detach the ratchet ball spring. Next, unthread the 4 bolts to release the old ring retainer. Before you install the new chute ring retainer, make sure the ratchet pawl is in place. Align the retainer and thread the 4 bolts. Reattach the ratchet pawl spring. Reposition the housing. Align the 2 retaining clamps and thread the screws to secure the housing to the handle. Rethread the mounting bolt to secure the housing to the rear bracket. Replace the 3 right side screws. Rethread the 2 screws securing the front of the housing. Reposition the ring seal on the housing so the Phillips head screw hole aligns with the appropriate screw hole in the ring gear. Thread the screw. Realign the handle on the chute, then reposition the assembly on the ring seal, and thread the 3 mounting bolts to secure. Your snowblower should now be ready for use.